Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another stream. Sorry I haven't been on in a while. I've been doing a lot at work and, Thanksgiving. Obviously, I'm in Poland, but they don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but I still made a bunch of food and try to do things for Thanksgiving. And also I've just been very tired, just in general, so I apologize for being kind of lazy with working on these streams and tutorials and stuff like that, but I'm back. Hopefully, I'll be more consistent, but let's just jump right into what we have to do. So basically, where we left off, we were working on Perforce. So let me just open up P4V. And the last thing we did was this step where we were putting the Unreal Engine build on Perforce. Let me see if I remember the password. I do? Yes. Okay. So basically, where we have our stuff here, we have it under main repo. So here's our engine, here's everything, and we have that. P4V ignore. So we're basically going to follow the next step here, which is testing the ignore file. Before we submit the engine build to Perforce, we should make sure that our ignore file is being respected. If it is not working properly, you will end up submitting a ton of files you do not need to your Perforce server, which will cause many issues later on. Okay, so right click your engine, okay, where we need to be. So we got our main repo, and we got engine, and we got saved. So then we gotta do what? Click and reconcile offline work. What? Okay, so we don't really get that option. Did I do something wrong? No, I hope I didn't, I messed it up already. Because we added the ignore, right? Am I not connected? Do I need to have this open? Why is this not working? Let's see. Yeah, this is what happens when I don't know what I'm doing. No. No. Does this one work? Okay. Do I have anything for server? So this is the server administrator. So we'll try logging into this one. Can't connect, of course. Okay, that one got a little further. No. Why? Okay, that doesn't work. Okay, so here's the depot. And this is the workspace. Switch workspace. Okay. Here's my workspace. Okay. So maybe this is what I need to do. So engine. And saved. Okay. This looks more promising. Okay. So reconcile offline work. And that should be by, here we go. Reconcile offline work. There are no files that need to be reconciled. This should immediately prompt your window with reads there are no files that need to be. If this is the case, you're working properly and you can move on to, okay. So that's perfect. Okay, click OK. Submitting engine files. Right-click your workspace root and click Mark for Add. This will go through the roughly 110,000 files that make up the engine build, filter out any ignored files, and add them to your default change list. During this time, the Perforce client might freeze up occasionally. Just let it take as long as it needs. You can tell the operation is still in progress by the cycling progress bar at the bottom right. Dismiss ignored files warning. Perforce by default will warn you when files were ignored due to your ignore file for operations like mark for add. This is further confirmation your ignore file is working properly. If you don't want to see these warnings, click the box, blah, blah, blah. Add files with wildcards, click continue. Okay. I guess let's start. Yeah. Okay. So it already is, yeah, it's freezing. So it's doing what it needs to do. I think. But the true test will be when it's done. So I don't know how long that's going to take. So when I put this video up on YouTube, I'll probably cut this part out because it's not necessary. But for the streamers, you get to see all the glory of me sitting here and waiting. So I guess we can read through the rest of the documentation. We're almost done. So Epic has many files within the Unreal Engine that are considered to have wildcard characters in their names. It is still valid to submit these files to Perforce, but Perforce will ask you if you want to do so. These files are usually only related to iOS parts of the engine. Click Continue, right-click. Then we got right-click the engine default change list, click Submit, and submit the change list with the message like adding engine files. Just like how we submitted the .p4, okay. Using the engine build, you should be able to now use the engine build just as you would use any Unreal Engine build from source code. Okay, a good way to test whether or not the engine has been submitted properly to Perforce is to create a new workspace on the same or different machine and see if you can build the engine without errors. When creating a workspace to use with this Perforce server, repeat the steps above in the section called creating a Perforce workspace, but be sure to use a unique workspace name. If you're creating a second workspace on the same machine, be sure to use a unique workspace. Once I wish you pull down the latest. Okay. Then we gotta do adding projects. When working with Unreal Engine build from source code, it is recommended to put your projects alongside the engine. This is also recommended ways of storing them on Perforce as well. That way all your projects will always be in sync with your engine and vice versa. Move your project to your workspace root alongside the engine. Okay, I'll have to do that. Okay. So we're almost done. Okay, and it's doing things on the bottom. So that's good. No pop-ups just yet. However, it seems like we're doing good. Okay. Okay, I don't know how effective this is gonna be, because I need to see if somebody else can connect to this server and get this engine. I also want to figure out how streams work. I also gotta see how Jenkins will work. If I can get Jenkins to work. Whoops. Sorry about that. And then I gotta see if I can get like I don't even know if it's necessary, but I want to see if I can get Jira to work. Or if I can't get Jira to work, then I can try. I don't know if I want to do Trello for like a ticket managing system. When I was working in Serbia, we used Redmine. So maybe we can try using Redmine? I just don't know how far I want to go with this because, like, maybe like some of these things are like really unnecessary for the project I'm working on. Maybe I'm trying to go too far. But who knows? We'll figure this out, I'm sure. Okay. So it's still working. Really don't know how long this is supposed to take, but whatever. Let's see what else this website has. custom UE4, UMG screen size configuration, should I use blueprints, blah, blah. Yeah, some of these are kind of old, but still, it's a good resource. Setting up version control Perforce for using DigitalOcean and Ubuntu. Oh, and there's a video tutorial. That's nice. There are many types of source control that exist. Perforce Git Subversion. I don't know what a DigitalOcean droplet is. Yeah, I'm kind of curious, like if there's gonna be any issues with storage space too. I don't know. I guess it's all issues that we will need to figure out at some point. Dedicated servers. Requirements. Adding dedicated server support. Navigate to your project source folder. You can see some target to make a copy of it. Let's see. This is kind of interesting. To build your project in the dedicated server. So what's the point of having a dedicated server? I really don't know what the point is of having a dedicated server, but maybe it's nice. Okay, so this is still going. Maybe this should have been like the last thing I did before the end of the last video, because at this point it's doing nothing except marking everything for add. But that's showbiz. But then, yeah, as soon as this is done, what do I gotta do? I gotta submit them. And then I also have to test. And then I gotta add project files. Essentially means I gotta copy that. And then I also gotta create a new workspace. Is this the only stuff that it's added so far? Because that's upsetting. There are 39,800 files in this change list. Oh boy. Does that refresh each time I do it? Yeah. And they said it was like 110,000. Oh, okay, we're not even close. Well, I guess we're kind of close. Yeah, this is gonna be a while. Can I even? Yeah, well, since my project is not in this repo, I can probably just play around. No, let's see. Unreal Engine collaborative project. You can open it up. Failed to launch editor. Oh, fuck. That's something else I'm gonna have to fix. Which I don't know what to do for that. Okay. Let's see. Is there any? There's one person watching, but I don't know if that's me or not. But whatever. So I guess we could try opening a different project. There's the. What is this? This is the tutorial series one. Does this? Okay, this one opens. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this editor open. Just something to look at. Am I at 50,000? No, not yet. Okay. I mean, is there anything that we can do on this project just for funsies while we wait? Probably not. How does the jumping work? So we got the mannequin, animations, materials, got all this stuff. Got some starter content. I like the blueprint examples that they give you. You know, I hardly ever use the construction script anymore. I don't know why. I guess it's useful. But this blueprint doesn't really do anything. Where are we at? Yeah. You got certain stuff in the details. You got brightness. Whoops. Color. Does the color match the bulb too? Yeah, it does. Because of why? Does this actually match the bulb? I don't think it does. What else does this do? Source radius? Still going. Yeah, sorry for this video being kind of boring, but sometimes that's part of game development. So we got the ceiling light. What else is there? Blueprint effects, Steam. Why is this a blueprint? I guess because there's an audio component too. What does this audio component sound like? That does not sound like Steam. Let's see. Explosion. Nice. Fire. What's the fire do? Do we have it just? Yeah, there's not a lot that these things do. Wonder why these are blueprints. Whatever. What's this? Light Studio? Oh, this seems to be doing something. Whoa. Whoops. BP Light Studio. That doesn't really do much. I guess it's post-processing and stuff like that, and fogs. Yeah. And we got our third-person character, but oh yeah, this is not our project. This is just the random third-person project. Where are we at? 70 something? Nice. There's a lot of files for the Unreal Engine. And it's kind of not shitty, but you know, we gotta add should we also add our projects to Perforce while this is happening? I guess we should, just to kill two birds with one stone, huh? Okay, so here's our collaborative project hero, and this is what we want to copy over. Let's find our main repo. What's the best way of doing this? I guess the folder, because this has also verses. So I want to do this. And click move. Did that do it? Yeah, I guess it did. Nice. Okay, that was quicker than I expected it to be. So we can get rid of this. Collaborative project. We don't need to do that anymore. Okay, I guess we can close. We'll keep one of these open. We'll keep this one open. Where are we at now? Like 80 something. Nice. So it should, according to that document, it should be around 110,000 or something like that. We'll see. Let's see. I guess while we're waiting too, I could talk about. Well, yeah, there's a couple different things. Just this week, just on Friday, I was at work. We were finally out of crunch, so that was nice. We were working a lot of hours. Maybe that's the root of me being tired. Like I really don't know what it is. I don't know if it's like depression or something or what have you, but I've just been very tired, very unmotivated, lazy, bad mood, quiet. Um, I don't know if that's really depression. It could be winter depression just because, like, it's 6 o'clock. I guess it should be kind of dark, but it gets dark around 4 o'clock, so it's kind of like upsetting. But I guess because also me not being motivated, like I haven't been exercising, so now I kind of feel gross. So I'm really gonna try to be better. Because yeah, I don't like how I'm feeling. I don't know, like I don't know what it is. I'm sure other people have experienced this too. Maybe, hopefully, it's a temporary thing. But you know, right now it's just like, what's wrong with me, kind of thing. And I don't know if I want to see a doctor or what. But I think if I can get myself back into the gym, exercise should help. It's just I read a good article, not an article, like just like not even a meme or anything. It's like an Instagram post where it's like the hardest part about going to the gym is just going there. But once you're there, you feel good, which is true. You just gotta motivate yourself to get out there. So I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow morning. So wish me luck. I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, that's kind of what's been going on right now. My mental health hasn't been so bueno. So I'll try to get better. But now we're almost done. If the 110,000 files was true from that article, we're about 105. So yeah, what's this say? Test. Okay, I don't know if should I test the Unreal build, testing the engine build. A good way to test whether or not the engine has been submitted properly to Perforce is to create a new workspace on the same or different machine and see if you can build the engine without errors. When creating a workspace to use with this Perforce server, repeat the steps. Okay, so I'll try to do. I really should. I guess we'll try. Okay, so it's more than 110. Did it say anything? So roughly 110,000 files that make up the engine build. Filter out any ignore files and add them to your default change list. During this time, the Perforce client will freeze up occasionally. Just let it take as long as it needs. You can tell the operation is still in progress by cycling progress on the bottom right. Dismiss ignore file warnings if it pops up. So we haven't gotten that pop up yet. So I don't know what that means, but may not be necessary. But We'll let it keep going, and then add files with wildcards. Click continue. Okay, so we basically gotta hit OK and continue if those prompts come up. And I'm still questioning my existence in this port. Like, what? Like, why am I doing all this? I don't know. I think it would be cool. If it turns out to be all a waste of time, hey, at least we tried. And we'll move on. We'll actually start trying to work on the project. So I just really want to see if I can do this. This is like, it's like a try to do it, Devin, kind of thing. You know, it's like I really want to see if I can do it. Ugh, I've been eating so much Thanksgiving food. I feel so gross. Ugh, I'm like, I don't want you looking at me while I'm doing this, but you know, I'm looking at myself in the window with my tummy. It's not good. Gotta get back on that diet. So I think I have a little bit more Thanksgiving food left. I'm gonna just bring it for lunch, and then I'm gonna go back to chicken and vegetables and fish and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm sure you guys don't really want to hear about all this, but too bad, I suppose. Okay, so those are added. So those are being added. Okay. Is it just the template stuff that they're working on? A lot of template crap that I don't think you need. But yeah, this is the hero. That's what we just added in, but we haven't added it to the repo yet. I'll need to talk to Estevan to see if he can download Perforce and check it out. Where are we at now? Like 150? No, not even. Connection. Is it open? There's open recent. Environment settings. Switch new. I gotta make a new workspace. Edit user. Yeah, I really don't understand like half of this tool. And I'm afraid I'll end up breaking something. Which will probably happen, and that's okay, I suppose. There's administration tools. What's this do? We were definitely in here before. So connections, Devin.Sherry, Helix admin. Is that what I need to open up here? Like Devin.Sherry. It's fine. Like Devin.Sherry. And then like 166 or something. No. I really don't know what happened. Is it like Devin Sherry 166 and then this one? No. Or Devin Sherry 1667. No. Like, does this give me any error messages though? Nope. We're definitely close to 150,000, so they must have added way more engine files now. There's hand server administrator. Okay, connect. Like, give me anything. Why? Does any of these work? No. Like, this is the one that kind of does something, but still. Nothing. Nada. Okay. What other files is it marking for add here? Like samples? No. It's not doing the hero, right? No. Okay, so it's still waiting on the solution. I see that much. So we're at 160,000. That is a lot. I guess a solution file is pretty big. So here's the depot, here's the workspace. So I had different, don't switch. Okay. Still doing its thing. Still waiting. Maybe this is the last file that goes in. I don't know how big is a solution file. Not that big. It's only 783 kilobytes. Ugh. So sorry again for this being kind of boring, but you know. I'm also not doing a very good job about naming the videos on Twitch. Let me see. Did that not go there? Okay, video producer. Yeah, like these are not staying on. Oops. Whatever. We got them on YouTube, so that's fine. We don't need to be on Twitch anymore. Let's see. Ah, here we go. We got the following files were not marked for ads since they are ignored. I think that, okay. So what do we want to say? So we can dismiss it. Okay. And we're supposed to do continue. Okay. Okay, right click on the default, hit submit. Okay. Adding engine files to Perforce, I suppose. Okay, choose files to submit, that many, submit. Now I suppose this part is going to take a while as well. So, it's got like 2 types of percentages, like the actual file percentage, and then like the other files. Okay. This is definitely going to take a while. Okay, so I'll edit this out in the video, but I'm just going to... I'm back. Yeah, this is going to take a long time, so it's only 4%. No. Okay, using the engine build, testing the engine build. So to build the engine run, generate project files, not bad as you normally would. I'll test that out. I'll test it on the next stream. But I'm gonna submit, and then I'm gonna add my projects to Perforce, and we're basically gonna be done. So basically, this is a good stream for watching nothing happen. So I hope you appreciate this episode because nothing's happening. Still, whatever. You gotta do. I watched an interesting GDC talk. I think the game was called The First Tree. And the guy doing the talk said, try to if anything, try to have 1% days where you do something for the project. So this is my something. Is this a fun something? No. Is it an easy something? Maybe. I don't know. All this Perforce and source control stuff is still so very confusing for me and vague. So I guess I'm learning something. But, the real test is to be able to do this, submit the project, create another workspace, have access to the project, and then have my friend Esteban connect and have access to that project. And if he can submit something. If we can do that, that's good. But also, I gotta worry about Unrealgamesync. I completely forgot about that until just this moment. So, I guess let's open up Unrealgamesync, right? Do I have access to that anywhere? Should I wait for this to be done submitting? I guess. Okay. We'll wait for this to submit. Then we'll open up Unrealgamesync and see if we have access to what we just did. Because I'm nervous about opening it. Let's see where it is. Unreal Engine. It's not under programs yet, right? Oh yeah, it is. But that's the INI. So is it engine binaries Win64? No. Binaries third party? No, it's definitely not third party. Plugins? No. Let me see. Unrealgamesync. Oh wow. Why is this in this language? Oh my god. Don't give me that. I said don't give me that, please. Okay, give me EN. Nope, okay. Thanks. This is English. Great. Okay. So Unrealgamesync. Source. There we go. Unrealgamesync. So there's the installer. Here's that. Is there an exe? There we go. Where is that? Open file location. Oh. So you got it there, but there's also that second one. Where's this one? Debug. So I don't know which one's the right one. Oh, they're both debug, right? What? Let's try. What happens? Okay. Okay. That's a good thing. So I'm gonna chalk that up as a W. That this is a good thing. So I'm gonna close out of it. Again, I'm gonna try to be careful. Oops, camera. I really need to get a stable camera. This thing has just been floppy and everything as I move my mouse. Hopefully you guys don't have motion sickness, but you know, it's whatever. And I shouldn't have that screen open too long. Okay. What else? Uh kind of I want to nap again, but I can't. I gotta stay awake. Whoops. Um I did notice some more people joining our Discord server. So welcome. If you haven't already, you can uh, join if you haven't. There's always a link in the description for the videos. You'll see the announcements for my Twitch streams. I'm always posting different videos that I find interesting into different topics and stuff like that. Um, so feel free to join. Hopefully, we'll get more and more active as time goes on. Also, obviously, this is a Twitch stream, but this will become a YouTube video. So if you haven't already, subscribe, of course. Make sure you can always comment on my videos, ask any questions you'd like. There's also the Q&A channel on the Discord server for questions and answers. Feel free to ask, and you know, it's a safe space. If you want to ask any questions that you think are stupid or something, don't worry about it. Everybody has stupid questions, so don't beat yourself up. Don't be afraid to ask. I also hope. Am I still speaking? Yes. Okay. But yeah, there's nothing else I can really spiel about. Mhm. This does take forever, huh? Well, I guess it's the one time. But we're almost a quarter of the way there. That's fantastic. Hooray. As my friends used to say, suwa. Swa swa. Let's see. Oh yeah, I did buy. I haven't gotten it yet, and I think I'm gonna get it in about 2-ish weeks or so. I've got a nice. I think I got 32-inch curve screen monitor, so that's gonna be freaking sweet. And I'm thinking because I have like a not yeah a curved desk here. Like you guys probably don't see it, but on this desk I have the holder for the Switch, and I have my PlayStation 4. Um, so what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna put the curved monitor here, straight ahead, and I'm gonna put this monitor here, and I'm just gonna have to rearrange where I'm putting the Switch and the PlayStation 4. They could probably go maybe in the middle. I don't know. And I was thinking, if I could possibly have, um, I might have to move where my tower is, but I'm wondering if it would be possible to have two keyboards, and basically so basically, because it has this drawer thing where you can put a keyboard. I already have like a mat on here, and I have my keyboard up here. So it'd be kind of cool to have like a second keyboard. So, I would have Unreal Engine open here, maybe like all the artistic quote unquote stuff like Photoshop or whatever I need on this monitor in front of me, and then the monitor here is just purely Visual Studio. And so basically, I can kind of just be like a hacker in those old movies, just like spin and be like, code, 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 and then spin back here, do some more stuff. I guess that's something I can research right now. Can I use two separate keyboards at once? How to use multiple keyboards in myself on computer. Okay, whatever. Chances are that if you're reading this on a computer, you got a keyboard and a mouse. Okay, well, the basic way, just connect them both. You might not have tried this, but Windows can detect and use multiple keyboard or mice with no problem. Just plug in a digital mouse keyboard game. Give Windows a moment to add its drivers. Then you can type using either keyboard or control the cursor with both mice. Okay. If it's literally that easy, should I get it? I guess I would need another mouse too. Yeah, I definitely would need to change the position of this tower because it's on my right side. It should be more in the middle. I guess I'll do that when that new monitor gets here. So I would definitely want to get another keyboard. I guess that can wait, I suppose. And I was also another mouse. Whoops. But awesome. Okay. That should be perfect. But also with Windows 10, you got what, virtual? Or what is that called? Um um what's the, no one's watching this right now that can answer me. It's not a virtual machine, virtual desktop. Of course, right clicking just broke everything. Okay. Virtual desktop, Windows 10. Okay. So Windows key and tab. Ah, new desktop. There you go. Nice. Okay. Can you name these desktops? No. Okay. Wonder what you guys are seeing while I'm switching this. I guess you're seeing the same things I am. Okay, so we got virtual desktops. I don't know if they're necessary for what I want to do, but I think I'm definitely gonna have my dream set up by the beginning of this coming year in 2020. And then yeah, tomorrow I need to go to the gym. I feel so gross. Like all I've been eating is the stuffing I made, the corn casserole, green bean casserole, mashed potatoes. I had deviled eggs. Oh my god! Like I'm sure everyone knows how the feeling is when you just eat too much. So I'm just preaching to the choir. Um, but yeah, we're at 31%. Awesome. Mm, I don't know what else there is to do. Um, except wait. Excuse me. And again, I don't think I should make a tutorial about this. Maybe I should, but basically the tutorial is following this blog. I don't know. Did I post this blog on the Discord server? I have tutorial sections on installing Unreal VS. No, not much. Maybe I did in the CPP channel. Jenkins. No, okay, I'll post it here. There you go. Now everyone has access to it. That's the tutorial for this. So big shout out to Alar. Thank you. This has been super helpful. Obviously, it's not done yet, but we're on the right track. I've been watching a lot of Friends too on Netflix. I don't know, like the show's not that funny, but it's good background noise, you know. Also, I do have a friend from Serbia visiting this week, so that's good. Hopefully, that'll put me in better spirits to have a friend. Yeah, I don't know. Going back to the whole tired thing, I just haven't had the want or desire to even go out, really. Just been exhausted. I'm really hoping just because of all the crunch hours. Honestly, it wasn't even that much crunch hours, but still, maybe it just kind of got to me. Maybe because it's getting colder, getting darker out earlier, just that seasonal depression hitting hard. I don't want it to hit hard, obviously. But so far it's been kicking my ass, and I do not want to go into 2020 feeling like a little bitch. In all honesty. So, I really got to kick myself into gear. I promised myself I would go to the gym today, and I already broke that promise. So I already set my alarm clock for 6 a.m. so I can go tomorrow morning. And then I'll try to go also on Tuesday morning and also Wednesday morning, maybe even Thursday. But Thursday is the day my friend from Serbia is gonna come. And I'm afraid that maybe going Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is just gonna destroy me and unmotivate me. But I don't know. I want to try. Okay. So back to where we're at again. We're not even halfway there, so that's great. What's that song? Living on a Prayer. Whoa, we're halfway there. But no, we're not. We're 42% of the way there. Oh yeah, okay. Maybe tomorrow I'll have to talk to Esteban about downloading P4V and seeing if he can access this free pro. I hope he can, but we'll see. Something else I guess I can research it right now. How when you let's see, how do I ask this question? UE4 update source build with new engine version. Okay, there's a form. A few weeks ago, I attempted to build from source and it was successful with 4.9. Earlier this week, 4.9. When was released? And then sort the question for me. I can't find an answer to it. Is there a documentation link hidden somewhere? Okay. This depends on whether or not you have made modification. Just go to the U4 GitHub page and download a zip for the engine source. Once it finishes download, click the setup button, let it download there, and let that build your. Once that's done, just open this and select the build you want. No, that doesn't answer. How do I? Let's see. Does this answer it? Ideally, you would use Perforce's merge integrate functionality. Okay, right. My team and I are currently working off a Perforce for our houses or whatever. How would we? Is there a way to go about upgrade that version to get it to the new version? So. This makes merge integrate a lot easier. Okay, when you have a version you want to upgrade to in your workspace, sync the clean brand latest and locally, not in. So paste the clean update version. Work. This should build. Is this going broken? Yeah. Okay, so this is the YouTube video. I guess this is something I'll have to worry about later. Because I really don't know like which version are we even using, like 4.23.1 or something like that. Hey, we're at 50%, so that's good. We made it. We got them, boys. Okay. What else is new? Wait, I also want to research why does this keep going back to Yahoo? Why does Chrome keep using Yahoo? Let's see. You probably have malware that is forcing you to use. Okay. The only thing that worked was via the Google support link, resetting the settings. Okay, so I downloaded probably like a. Okay. Let's go to extensions. Manage extensions. Extensions. Okay. Which ones do I not need? I don't need Boomerang. Remove that. Yeah, it's fine. CodePen, that's fine. Dark theme, Facebook, I guess is okay. Google Docs, Honey, Reddit enhancement suite, fine. Santorin, fine. I guess that's it. I don't need that one. That's fine. I don't need CodePen anymore. Remove. I guess that's all okay. Okay. The only thing that worked was resetting. Okay, I guess we settings. So default browser. Themes, black, yeah. Google, yeah, manage search engines. We don't want Yahoo. Don't want remove. Let's just remove everything. Okay. Okay, that should be good. Let's see, Polish to English is usually what I search, and I type in. Let's type in. What is it? Chest? No. How do you spell that? Chest. Okay. Guess that's not how you spell it. Just hey. Hey. Hey there. No hey. Okay. So I think I fixed it, right? Nope, it goes back to search in Yahoo. So it has to be some sort of malware. So we're still doing pretty good on streaming. We're almost at 60%. We're at 60%. That's great. So at least we're over 100,000 files now. I guess there's nothing else to really try right now. I got like that Pokemon theme in my head. I need some other stuff stuck in my head. I want this submit to be over. 105,000, 106,000. I don't know what else there is to talk about. I guess Christmas is coming up, or Hanukkah, for those to celebrate. Kwanzaa. I don't know what other holidays there are. So much is going on with this engine. Because once this is done, what we gotta do, put it in our project and wait for that to happen too. But the project is not as much. So main repo, hero. You got two different solution files too. That always confused me. You got the project solution file, and then you got the engine solution file. But we don't really want to do much with the engine, from what I remember. Don't want to touch that. My back also kind of hurts in my neck. I should see a chiropractor or something. Maybe turning 28 has finally gotten to me. My body's just like, you're done. And, you know, it's like, you're tired now. This is your life. Welcome to the real world. Even though I know 28's not that old. I'm just praying to God or whatever that this tiredness is just from working. And it's not like a disease or something or a mental illness that's making me feel tired. And I'm afraid to go to the gym tomorrow and step on the scale and see that how much I weigh. Because I've been hovering around 78 kilos. I just hope I'm not over 80. Because my goal... What's the kilograms? The pounds conversion into kg. Because I want to weigh... I should do it the other way. kg to lb. I want to weigh like 72. Maybe like 75 is ideal. 74. All right, so anywhere from 72 to 75. So from 158 to 165 is ideal. Right now, if I'm 80, then like that's still decent. But You know, right now, if I'm like around 78, then I'm around 170 pounds. Which, again, not terrible, but, you know, not where I want to be. Oh, and my knuckles, everything's cracking. Definitely not living my healthiest life. Let me just grab some water since I'm talking a lot. Okay. I'm back. I'm better than ever. Let's see, 67%. I think I've been streaming for like an hour now. Or at least close to it. Hey, we really haven't gotten anything done, guys. Good job. That's teamwork. Some of these files I don't even recognize. There's a lot of DLLs and stuff like that. Very confusing stuff. I'm also, oh yeah, Polish lessons. I gotta do stuff for that. Oh, my Polish is not very good. I need to study more, but there's not enough time in the day, I don't think. We're almost at 70%. Yay. That's what I feel like I'm doing. I'm just announcing how far along we have. I don't want to. What else is there to do? Nothing really. So I guess deal with it. $69. Nice. Yay, we're at 70. Oh boy. What do I gotta do tomorrow? Tomorrow, gym first. First things first. I'm the realist. I'm gonna go to the gym. Be a fucking man about it. Then I gotta go to work. After work, I think I'm gonna go to the mall. Pick up some stuff. Then I have to go to the shop, the grocery store, pick up some more stuff. What do I need to get from the mall? I need to get another pillow. That's for sure. Maybe another blanket. Doesn't hurt to have more blankets, you know what I mean? But I feel like there was something else, not a blanket. There was a pillow and then I can't remember. Maybe I'll remember when I get there. And then yeah, I gotta go grocery shopping. Tomorrow's the last day I'm eating this frickin' Thanksgiving food. I'm just gonna toss the rest of it. Back to chicken and fish and vegetables. Just make chicken, rice, and like broccoli and sweet potato or something, and I should be better. But, you know, I try to resist the bad stuff. Luckily in Poland, you know, you still got fast food restaurants like McDonald's, they have some KFCs. They even had a Pizza Hut, which really surprised me. But it's not like in America we have fast food like every 3 seconds away, which thank God. I do miss Taco Bell though. I miss Mexican food in general, but you know, if I liked Mexican food so much, why did I end up in Poland, right? Pretty much the polar opposite. I guess I'll also text while I'm waiting here. Okay, we're at 75%. That's good, I suppose. That's now we're at 76. Cool. Was there anything else before we add the project? No, we're submitting it. I'm also super concerned about the fact that when we try to run the project, it fails to launch the editor. Let's see what that means. I can't launch from beta. No. There we go. Just open the project file after you open Unreal Editor. What? We'll figure it out, I suppose, once this is all done. That could probably be it. Source build 423. Do I have to like rerun Unreal Selector? Possibly. We'll see. Nothing to be scared of, I suppose. We'll figure it out together. Wow, it's been on 76% for a while. Guess it's because, yeah, it hasn't been doing much. Did get some log errors at the bottom here. What is this? Goofy.image set. I guess that's part of the wildcards. What's this stuff on Facebook? What the hell? Weird. Guess that's fine. Guess the solution file doesn't get marked for add, which is interesting. I didn't know that. Why do some of these files take forever? can't help but resist touch my man boobs. But you know, that's just me. Oh, there's so many files left. This is slowly killing me on the inside. I don't know why I decided to like document this whole process. It's not a good idea, but maybe it is. Probably not. But maybe you guys will learn something. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's gross. Sorry, I'm just burping all types of gross stuff. Mm-hmm. Still taking a long, long time. Did I mention I was playing The Last of Us? I think I might have, but yeah, The Last of Us is pretty sweet. I'm enjoying that game a lot. And then after I played that, I have Horizon Zero Dawn to play. And then after that, I don't know if I should play some PC games or if I should try maybe buy the Spider-Man game for PS4. I want to buy the new Luigi's Mansion. I still want to buy Breath of the Wild. I think I got my fun from Super Mario Odyssey. I don't know if I really want to play that one anymore. Um, Maybe play Super Smash. Maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of options out there. I have a PS4 and a Switch and a PC. I just don't have an Xbox, and I don't think I want an Xbox. At this point, I don't think it's necessary to have an Xbox. And so we'll see what the next gen has for us. Comment down below which consoles you have. No, you don't have to. That doesn't matter. Man, these last parts of the sections here are taking a long time. I guess I'll just sit back and relax. Take a nap? No. No, I'm not going to take a nap. Okay, now maybe it's moving a little faster. Not really. It's like 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 3, 2, 3, 7. Okay, now it's. I guess that section was not fun at all, but now it's moving a little better. I wonder what it takes to make this stuff run faster. Is it just a better CPU? I guess to do like file transfers or submitting. Let's see. What's running hardest right now? CPU is only running 6%. GPU. Why is GPU doing all that stuff? I guess it's because of OBS and streaming, so that makes sense. Oh yeah, it's doing all that. Wait, I have Unreal Sync open? Does Unrealgamesync not close the way I thought it would close? Open. Yeah, okay. It doesn't. Exit. Okay, we're at 79%. Nice. Nice. I guess I could let you guys know about my fitness goals if that matters to anybody. Um, so this coming summer in July, they have Exit Festival. That's in Novi Sad. It's in the Petrovaradin Fortress. So by that time, so I got 8 months. I want to be looking like a snack, hardcore. I want to look good. I want to be around 75 kilos, maybe 74, but more muscle. I want to. I know a six pack is not going to happen, but I want at least to have a slimmer profile, I guess is the word. So I can look good for the festival. See my friends. Hopefully, I'll visit Serbia before Exit Festival. I should. I'm just there's. I'm still waiting for residency here. I don't know. I was supposed to get it in September. It's December now, so I don't know when that's gonna be fixed. I'll have to look into it. Hopefully, in the beginning of next year, because by the time April comes around, um, it'll have been a year since I moved to Poland, and time flies when you're having fun, I suppose. But I want to see like my friends back in Novi Sad again. So hopefully that happens. Don't need to know about dedicated server. So we're still waiting. We're moving quicker. We're at 84%, so that's good. Once that's done, I just gotta mark for add all the stuff for hero. And I think it'll still do the same ignoring stuff. Does it say for me to do that? Move your project to your workspace root alongside. Mark for add. Please note that you won't be able to change any source code files without checking them out to begin with or manually sending files to not be read-only. Checking out source files is the recommended way. That's Perforce. And everyone knows you are modifying those files. Okay. Cool. Oh, we're back at heavy files again. No! We're almost at 150,000. Okay, we're back to moving fast. You know when you eat so much and you can't breathe? That's my current situation. We're almost at 90%. Yay. Hooray. Hooray for me. Oh. Oh, my eyes are getting so heavy looking at this screen. Do I have flux? I don't think I do. I should. Did I not add it to my startup? Oh. That's good. Yeah. Startup. Apps. Should add flux to startup apps. Change location. Disable. About flux, options. Let's see. How quickly should transitions happen? Natural timing. Yeah. Nothing there. Okay, whatever. Okay, we're above 90%. Thank God. Thank the Lord. Okay, we're moving along. It's really quiet here. Also, yeah, I got. What I didn't realize, living on your own, even though I have been living on my own for a long time, it's more obvious here, just because of the more I can cook and stuff like that. But like, you have to be constantly cleaning your place, like your kitchen and stuff, becomes a huge freaking mess so easily. It's insane. I think it's because I had a cleaning person in Serbia. That's definitely the reason. I don't have a cleaning person here, so I gotta do it all myself. Which, it's not bad, but I gotta dedicate my half my life to keeping this place decently clean. And so I gotta do it again tomorrow night, I think. Maybe after this, I'll tidy up just a smidge. And then tomorrow I'll do it some more. I just gotta keep everything kind of clean for my friend when she visits. I need a vacuum. Once the next paycheck hits, I'll buy a vacuum. That's what being adult's all about. Buying vacuums. Okay, we're so close. Oh, I'm actually very excited for this to almost be done. What song is that? No one knows. Okay. Just talking to myself again. Yeah. I should also I should look up some ways how to stay motivated. I want to get a whiteboard, but I don't know how to hang it correctly. Maybe I should get like a magnetic whiteboard for my fridge, or like I need some way to motivate me to keep doing exercise and working on this project and stuff like that. Like, I just feel like I've been beaten up by life recently, so I just gotta try my best and figure out how to escape that hole, So I think I can do it. I hope I can do it. I know I can do it. There you go. Boom shakalaka. Okay, 98%. We're almost at 170,000. Okay. And we are above 170,000 in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Got it. I'm kind of surprised I got that. But okay, so we need what? 1,209 more. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, this last 99% is getting on my nerves. But it's okay. It's okay. I should definitely buy another hard drive. I need to get a huge hard drive, I think. Like, if I'm hosting this Perforce thing here, there's going to be a lot of changes. I wonder if that's a question that needs to be asked. For using source control, I guess. I mean, it's just SVN creates a copy of each file. For example, Mozilla repositories. Yay, we're done. Okay. Okay. Now I gotta mark all these for add. So this also is gonna take a while, okay? Okay. Submit. Add our hero project to Perforce. Submit. This should go by a billion times faster. Okay, great. Only 300. Oh, but maybe some of them will take this long. I don't know. Thanks. Didn't need to really know about that, but okay. Thanks, Facebook. Please don't all be like this long. Oh my god, they're gonna be this long. No, I thought this was gonna be quick. Very annoying. Okay, thank God. We're moving. We're moving. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. This is exciting. Okay. And boom. We did it. Okay. So we added our engine and our project to our workspace and our repo. So let's open Unrealgamesync again. Main repo, engine, source, programs, Unrealgamesync. Let's type in .exe. Let everything freeze. Why was this able to do that so quickly earlier? But now it's just like, no, bro. Okay. Right click. What do I want to do? Okay. Let's right click, create a shortcut. And then put it on our taskbar. Buy. Let's move this right here. Open it. Okay. Application settings, maybe first. I know we definitely have to open project. Like, I'm not that stupid, but okay, open it. There we go. Automatically run on startup. Yes. Yes. Use unstable. Enable automation via port. Yes. Fine. Okay. Yes. Restart. Are we still recording? Yeah, we're good. Yeah. Okay, open project. Um, okay. Oh! Oh! Okay. So, um, I think this is it. Generating project files. Options. Okay, failed to show log. Damn it. Let's see. More. What's this? Yeah, that's what you have. Let's see. Generate project files. Error. Unreal build to fail to compile. Okay. I'm not gonna. Let's see. Workspace name. Yes. Okay. What else do I need to have? Settings. Like, what path is this asking for? That's okay. That's fine. Let's change. Okay. Options. Application settings. That's what we have. Options. Edit build configuration. Default. Debug game. Yeah, that's fine. Perforce sync settings. Number of retries on timeout. No, that doesn't matter. Tab names. Yeah. Show changes. Time zone. That's fine. Oh, we'll do local. Scheduled sync. Do I want to do anything with that? Every day at 6 a.m. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we got this far. I think that's good for now. So what I have to do, I think, next is in our repro, figure out what is not building correctly. So main repo and, you know, generating everything. But also, I want to look at my P4 ignore open with more apps, Sublime text. So it's saying SLN, so that makes sense that this is not being imported. Okay, let's not worry about it. We're in a good point so far. I'll just have to see what the hell is going on. Why it's not generating project files, but we'll do that next time. So thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next stream. See ya.